There we go. Stay low. Choke that crank. He got that good. He sucked that in. Got that front treble on the tongue. Probably 15-inch fish. Greg wanted me to send him pictures of anything over 2 pounds. I don't think this is quite 2, but it's close to it. Nope. Come on. I just gave you a drink. You should be calm. No. Chill. Alright, 15 and a quarter. Is that what I said? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I said it's about a 15-inch fish, but... well... get a picture of him anyway. Stickfish. Stick. Catch and release stick. This is why you don't, I don't know if it's going to be in focus or not, but this is why you don't grab braided line and pull on it with the bare finger. Luckily I stopped before it got too bad, but it started to break the skin in a couple of places. Normally I'd have my gloves on, but I lost one of them, and they're getting pretty tattered, so I need to order new ones anyway. So, lesson learned. Buy gloves before you fish. Learn from my mistakes. It's got to be a catfish. He's staying down. Oh, came off. Oh crap, I didn't feel like I had a very good hook set on that one. It kind of knocked some slack into it, and I was going forward and not quite reeling fast enough, so I don't know that I ever had him hooked really well, but as long as that one stayed down and never surfaced, I'm going to just tell myself that it was a catfish. Oh, if that's a bass, it's a good one. That can't be a bass. Oh, surfacing a little. It didn't surface like a bass. It might be foul hooked, whatever it is. It's fighting kind of funny. It's a bass. It's an okay bass. Let's see why it's fighting weird. He's not hooked strongly. Yes, he is. He's pretty good. That's a fat one, guys. That's a 3-pounder, 3.5 maybe. Let's get a closer look at him. Yeah, he got the front hook in the mouth, and then the back hook, and the gill plate, and that's why he was fighting kind of funny. Chocolate. $16.5. I'll get the scale up for this guy. I think he's a 3-pound fish. He's close to it anyway. Let's go 2.8. Uh-oh, scale battery's low, guys. He's 2.7. 2.7 pound, 16.5-inch fish. Good fish, y'all. Good fish. You never feel the head shake when you foul hook a stick. Well, guys, I finally hooked myself. Instead of just pedaling back over to the tree that I hooked, I tried to whip it out. My lure came flying back at me a million miles an hour. Now I got a treble in my damn calf. I have no idea if it's up to the barb or not. I'm trying to decide if I should look at it or just fucking rip it out. Kind of leaning towards just ripping it out. Can't be that bad, right? Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. Oh God, it's past the barb. Ooh, it was that bad. Oh, that hurt. Ooh, boy. Oh, I did not lean into that hard enough. Damn it. Alright, well, that might be an end to our day. Because I think what I'm going to have to do is go home, cut that, and push it through. Oh boy. That hurts, guys. That hurts. I don't have good side cutters on me. So, yeah. I'm just going to have to call it a day. Whew. Ouch.
you.